Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Hosta plants today and the fall maintenance required. And basically we're going to show you a year's worth of growth and life cycle. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, we are outside now, and as you can see on the grass, there is frost. And it is late November. You can see the frost as we get closer to the hostas. And I personally wait until late November to cut our plants because as the plants get further away from the summer weather, they begin turning colors and they give it that Halloween / Thanksgiving theme color to the garden. What we'll do is we'll patiently wait a few hours, let the temperature rise, and we'll get started. As the sun rises, the frost is dissipating and it's getting a little warmer. From here, what I've got is a bungee cord or tie strap and a Craftsman hedge trimmer. At this point, I've got the bungee cord wrapped around the plant and all the stems, and I've pulled it up about 8 to 10 inches. As you pull this up, it will actually compress and pull all the loose ends together. That's going to give you a much better opportunity or clearance to cut, and we are going to cut roughly 1 inch above our soil grade here. And basically I can grab this entire portion still wrapped with the bungee cord and dispose of it. A couple loose ends, I'll just cut these with a little handheld clippers. Here's the top view of that plant we just cut, and as you can see, it just took a few seconds. And we've got additional hostas. We will do the exact same cutting method. Alright DIYers, all hostas are cut, and with the bungee cord and hedge trimmer effective for us. We'll see you in the spring. DIYers, quick update, it is the middle of winter and a very gloomy, overcast, winter cold day. Here's what the flower bed looks like at the moment. All right, DIYers, it is springtime, and check this out. They're coming right up, and I'm actually going to remove a little bit of the wood chips, and there's a piece of grass here. I'll get that out of there. Check that out. And during the winter, unfortunately, kind of looks like they become buried inside the wood chips, so if that happens to you, wow, yeah, look at that. Just kind of brush the wood chips away and give the flowers some room. Not that they'll need it because they are very strong growing up. And check out that, that's an old stem. And I did this a few minutes ago, as well as here. And here's the old stems, as you can see. The snow really packs this down. Can you believe it? Just be careful because you do not want to break these fresh growing hostas. And I got 2 more here. So again, this is how we do it. There's a few different ways to do it. We're just showing you how we do it because it's worked for us for many years. We have a whole bunch of weeds starting to grow in our walkway, and we need to get rid of those. And we have a mixture of a few products that dry the weeds up and they disappear here in a few days. We're not going to bore you with that in this video. However, if you want to see how we do that and check out that mixture, definitely check out the link scrolling above. You may find it very beneficial and helpful. Also, one more thing, DIYers, we have a whole bunch of knockout roses. And in the event that you were curious on the cycle of knockout roses, definitely check out the link down below in the comment section as well as description section. 2-week update, DIYers. The hostas are doing very well, as you can see. And just in 2 weeks, a lot of growth. And most of them are about 2 to 3 inches tall already. They grow fast. I'll give you an update here in a few weeks. 2-week update. And these are doing very well, especially this one. Very healthy. They're getting a lot of rain, a lot of water from our irrigation system, and a lot of sun. It's a beautiful sunny day today. And we love it. very healthy. I'll keep you posted 2 weeks later. 2-week update, DIYers. It is incredible how fast these hostas grow. Check that out. Rewind a month and a half ago, remember we were digging them out like little dinosaur eggs from the mulch? Isn't that crazy? These things grow so fast. We love those too. Unfortunately, those only bloom in the month of May each year, so those will disappear here in a couple weeks and they'll be beautiful green bushes and will not rebloom until basically next May. 2-week update, DIYers. They look great. We are very pleased with how they grew this spring and early summer, all the way to the roots, healthy as can be. And again, we just wanted to show you how they grow and what to do with them in the fall prior to winter. Hopefully this helps. Hey, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And it looks like our knockout roses are doing well as well. All right, DIYers, this is actually a 1-month update on the hostas, and we have about 3 foot tall flowers here. Check that out. And it is sprinkling, kind of like a cold fall summer afternoon, really. But hey, good for the garden, right? Very pretty.